So this is what I woke up to. We were only supposed to get 1/4 of an inch of snow. Well, we got about 6 inches of snow. And if you look closely, it is still snowing. It is pretty though. Much as I don't like to shovel, it is pretty. Not pretty. So I actually can't shovel my driveway. It's the kind of driveway you have to have a tractor come with a commercial plow. So I do have it plowed, but I have to shovel from the ramp that I built to the driveway. So do have to shovel a little bit. Not too bad. Look at that sky. It's just a nice gloomy day.